Cardano is testing a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, we had this beautiful move up, retested this resistance level here at 41 cents, and then rejected, broke this 39-cent level. Yesterday, I mentioned that if Cardano were to break this support level at 39 cents, things could get extremely bearish. And you can see we actually broke that level and traded all the way down here to 37 cents before we got right back up, right? Now we are in this V-shaped formation, so we have to be very careful about entering a shorting position, only because of the fact that it is the weekend. So whether or not this is going to be a higher low formation and then the move to the downside, or we might see one more blast push up to grab that liquidity and then the continuation back down. Of course, right now on Cardano, you can see that we are testing that resistance here at 40 cents. And ideally, what I would like to see is a retest of the support at 39 cents, because we didn't get that retest over here. You can see we got one candlestick that got pretty close to that support level, but we actually got bought right back up. And the second candlestick was a clean break to the downside. Of course, for the bullish case scenario for Cardano, if we can get a retest on that three-wick confirmation, then the next level of resistance would be around that 41 cents. And if we were to break that, the overall resistance would pretty much be that 44. The reason why you guys already know from previous videos that 44-cent level is going to be so important is because of the fact that you can see that right here, we saw that break, that resistance retest, and then the confirmation to the downside, which had this huge waterfall effect down. That's pretty much where the next major resistance level will be. And of course, if we can break above that level, things might actually get very interesting for Cardano overall. Now, on the lower time frames yesterday, I mentioned a possible BART formation for Cardano, and I mentioned that if we can get a clean break below and a continuation pattern, we can definitely be looking for the retest around that 36-cent level overall. We can see that we did get a break, but we didn't get a clean move to the downside. We got a small little break, that retest, and a slow bleed pattern, which was an indicator that this was going to be a fake out situation for the hourly. You can see that once we broke that level, we had that beautiful retest at 39 cents, and then we continued to have this little support that was created at 38 cents. Then we had that massive move breaking above that exponential moving average, retesting it as support, and then right back into those resistance levels. This can definitely happen, as of course you can see that on the lower time frames we were pretty much in the oversold area. You have to be very careful about this, right? When you are looking for that overall move, and this is a clear example of why I tell you guys to look more on the 4-hour aspect than on the 1 hour, because on the 1 hour things can definitely get a lot more manipulated. On the 4 hour, you can see that we didn't quite get that level test, and we still had quite a bit moves to go before we actually hit that oversold area. So again, we have to be very careful about entering those positions a little bit too early. On the 1 hour though, now that we are broken above this resistance level, you can see that we are still using it as support. Ideally, what I want to see is a retest multiple time frames across on the 39-cent level, and then the next move to the upside. Whether or not this is going to be a full fake out move is obviously going to be dependent on the weekend. On Monday, we should be a clear indication of whether or not Cardano will be breaking this 39 cents, finding it as resistance, and then that continuation, or whether or not we can actually break above this 41 cents, find it as support, and then that continuation. Anything in between this level though is, again, you guys already know from previous videos, it's pretty much a no trade zone. Because of the fact that it's consolidating between a resistance and a support, we have to be very careful. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.